Hey, welcome to my channel Wartsy Queen, and in this video I will show you how to draw a mandala in 3 simple steps if you are a beginner. Let's know what are the materials required. You will need a compass, and then you will need a black ink pen. You can use any kind of ink-based pen. Here I am using Uniball Fine Deluxe, which is waterproof. And then you need a black marker pen. You can also use black sketch pen. Here I am using this Pilot lettering pen, which is used for calligraphy. Since I don't have a marker pen at the moment, I will use this. It does the same job. And then you need a ruler, pencil and an eraser. Now let's begin. Step 1. The first step is to draw a mandala grid, and I will draw a grid just by using a compass. You mostly draw a grid using a protractor, on which I will make my next video, but since I don't have a protractor at the moment, I will use this compass. First, draw a circle of around 4 to 5 cm radius from a point. Make sure to draw the grid with lighter pencil shade so that it's easy to rub them off later. I will draw the grid with darker shade so that it's understandable to you. And then, from any point on the circle, cut 2 arcs on both the sides, just like this. And then, from any of these arcs, cut 2 more arcs on both the sides on the circle from that same point. Continue doing this clockwise or anti-clockwise until you get a cross shape on the arcs. As you can see, I got 6 cross shapes on the circle. Each cross is a point. Take a ruler and join the opposite crosses with pencil, just like this. Now take your compass and again from the previous points cut 2 arcs on both the sides, but this time on outside the circle like this, and continue doing it until you get 6 cross shapes like before. As you can see, here I drew the arcs with light pencil shade. This is how you are supposed to draw the grid. It should be light enough to be visible to your eyes, just like this. Then, join the opposite crosses like before. Now carefully erase the arcs. Join the lines where it got rubbed off. Now let's go to the next step. Step 2. In this step, you plan your designs using a pencil. For this, you will also need a compass for drawing circles. First, you need to draw inner mandala designs, and for this, I will use compass. You need to be very careful for drawing smaller circles. Be slow and patient, or else you might don't mess it up. You create a mandala by working from inside out. Mandala is all about bringing out your creativity. You can draw any designs or use any colors. There is no right or wrong mandalas. Drawing two small round-shaped petals between two grid lines. This will make your mandala look more symmetrical. Now, using a compass, draw a circle like this. Here onwards, my outer mandala designs will begin. Now, I will draw big flower petal shape with pointed tips. For this, I will mark the midpoints between two grid lines. This will help me in giving good shapes to the petals so that it looks perfect. This is the design I will be drawing inside these petals. As a beginner, it's the best way to draw your mandala designs using a pencil first. Now again I will use a compass to draw a circle for my next layer of design. And now I will draw another layer of big petals like this. As you are a beginner, I will suggest you to draw circles as you plan for your mandala designs, unlike professional artists who first draw the circles when they draw the grid and then draw mandala designs. This is the following design I'm planning to draw. I will use my compass again to draw a circle for another design layer. Now I'm going to add a third layer of big pointed petal shapes. This is the design I will be drawing in this layer of flower petals. Step 3. The final step is to trace your designs using pen or a marker. I will use my Uniball Fine Deluxe pen wherever I need thin lines and use black marker pen or sketch pen where I need thick lines. It's alright if you don't have a black marker pen like me, You can simply use your black ink pen to increase the thickness of the lines. When you trace your designs, be slow and patient. I prefer to use an ink-based pen instead of a ball pen for drawing mandalas because it makes your mandala look more perfect even if it's not. Be comfortable while drawing a mandala. Turn your paper or book when necessary, just according to your comfort. When you need to draw a perfect circle with pen or marker, take the help of a compass. Give final touch to your mandala designs. When you are done with tracing the designs, rub off the grid lines. Also, don't forget to erase the designs you drew before using a pencil. Here you go, your mandala is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. You can also follow me on Instagram.